Hello everyone, myself Harshada Chhatrapati Gaikwad. I am giving the seminar presentation for the subject Industrial Management and Operation Research for the topic Hungarian method. The question is solve the following assignment problem using Hungarian method. The metric represents the maintenance time of the component in R. The respective technicians are allotted with the respective hours for their maintenance job. Step 1 is first we have to analyze whether the problem is balanced or not, or whether it is minimization or maximization problem. To analyze whether the problem is balanced problems, the number of rows should be equal to the number of columns. That is, we have 5 rows and 5 columns. Next, we have to minimize the hours. So this problem is of minimization problem. Step 2 is the matrix row subtraction. So we have to select the least number from each row and reduce from that. The 7 is the least number in this row. So we have reduced the 7 from this row. Similarly, the 6 is the least in second row. The 6 is the least in third row. 9 is the least number in fourth row. 7 is the least number in row fifth. After subtracting, we get this table. Step 3. Matrix column subtraction. It is similar to the row subtraction, only it is carried out for each column. As from the previous table, we have to analyze the least number from each column. In each column, the 0 is the least number. After subtracting the 0, we get this table. It is similar to the matrix row subtraction. Step 4. Row screening and column screening. It means we are giving the assignments in this problem. As we observe, as we are doing the row screening, in the row, if we observe the 0, we are going to mark that 0 and that would be our assignment. In first row, we can see below the prerna, we are observing the 0, that it means that this location is having our assignment. Similarly, in row 2, we are observing the 0 and marking it as our assignment. In row 3, we are observing the 0 and marking it as our assignment. But in row 4, we can observe the two zeros. It would be the big question that which 0 would be our assignment. So first initially leave it as it is. Then go to the row 5th. As we can see the 0, but we cannot mark the 0 as initially we have marked the 0 in this column. So again we are going to do the column screening. While doing the column screening, in first row we have already got the assignment. In second row we are going to mark the fourth row 0 as our assignment. In the third column we have already the assignment. In fourth column we did not get any assignment. In fifth column we got the assignment. The number of assignments should be equal to the number of rows, but we have got only 4 assignments. It means it does not satisfy the condition. When it does not satisfy the condition, we have to go with the optimization method. Step 5 is the optimization. Mark green color for the undeleted cell and blue color is for the intersection cell. In undeleted cell, we have to observe the least number. The least number is 1. So we are going to subtract this least number from the green cells, that is undeleted cells, and add at the intersection cells. So after doing the addition and subtraction, we get the table as we can observe here. Step 6. Again we have to go for the row screening and column screening. That is, we are going to give assignment in this table. So go observe the first row for the 0 and mark this 0 as the assignment. Again go for the second row, observe the 0 and marked it as the assignment. Go in a third row. As we can observe, there are two zeros. Initially leave it as it is. Then in fourth row, observe that for the 0. As here we can see there are four zeros. So leave it as it is. Then go for again the fifth row. Observe here. We can observe there are two zeros. So leave it as it is. So initially we will get assignment in row 1, row 2 only. Then afterwards do the column screening. Observe the column as in this column already the assignment is given. So move to the next column. In second column we can observe at the fourth row we can see the assignment. Mark this 0 as the assignment in the second column. Go in a third column. As we can see two zeros. So initially we don't leave it as it is. Go to the fourth column. As we can observe here again there are three zeros. Leave it as it is. Go to the fifth column. As we can see there is already the assignment is given. Again we have to carry out the row screening. Then observe first row has given already the assignment. Second is also have given already the assignment. Then go for a third. We can see there is the 0. Mark that 0 as the assignment. And fourth row is already we have given the assignment. Go in the fifth row. We can observe that this 0 is already have the assignment. So give the assignment in the fourth column and the fifth row. As as the number of assignment is equal to the number of row, therefore it satisfies the condition and this is our optimal solution. So according to the assignments, I have allotted the hours from the table given in the question, and it requires minimum 38 hours to complete the 5 maintenance jobs. Thank you for watching the video.